Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the RGB colors for Razer Mouse dock Chroma. And to do this you'll need to get the Razer Synapse app. You can also get the Chroma addition to the app to customize the RGB even more. But now let's go for the Razer Synapse. Here in the dashboard select the mouse dock. Then on the right we can change anything about our RGB, so you can adjust the brightness of the charger with the slider right here. There's also option to enable or disable the lights at all. On the bottom we can change a quick effects or go for advanced effects. In quick effects you can pick already preset effect for RGB. In advanced effects you can get the Chroma Studio, which I mentioned in the beginning of the video, to customize RGB even more. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.